Should you sell first or buy first? If you're thinking about moving up in Houston, there's one question that stops people cold. Do you sell your house first or do you buy the new one first? Get it wrong and you either end up homeless for a month or stuck owning two houses and two mortgages at once. So today I'm walking through exactly how this works, the real options, the real risks, and how I coordinate this for my clients so nobody's sleeping in a hotel or panic buying. Hi, I'm Tello, and I specialize in helping buyers, sellers, and investors navigate the greater Houston market. Whether you are relocating, selling your current home, or looking at investment opportunities in this market, I am here to guide you through every step for a smooth transaction and successful closing. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button. I cover everything you need to know about the greater Houston real estate market. And there is a new video every week. Now let's get into it. Why this question feels so scary. Here's the fear on both sides. If you sell first, where do you live in between? What if you can't find the right house in time? If you buy first, can you even qualify for two mortgages? What if your current house sits on the market longer than expected? Both of these are real risks, but they're manageable risks if you plan for them instead of reacting to them. Sell first. Selling first is the lower risk option financially, and it's what I recommend for most move-up sellers in this market. Here's why. Exactly how much you're walking away with. No surprises, no carrying two mortgages, no bridge loan interest piling up. The trade-off is timing. You need somewhere to land if your next house isn't ready. That's where a rent-back agreement comes in, where the buyer of your current home allows you to stay for an agreed number of days after closing, usually for a daily fee. In this market, a lot of buyers are open to this, especially if it helps get your offer accepted. I also build in a contingency where possible, meaning your sale is conditioned on you finding a suitable replacement home. It's not guaranteed leverage, but in the right situation, it works. Option 2, buy first. Buying first feels safer emotionally. You're never without a house, but it comes with real financial risks. You're likely to need to qualify for both mortgages at once, even temporarily. Some lenders will let you use projected proceeds from your current home sale to help you qualify, but not all of them and not all loan programs. There's also bridge financing, a short-term loan that lets you access your current home's equity before it sells. So you can put a strong offer on the new house without a sale contingency. Bridge loans solve the timing problem, but they come with fees and interest. So they work best when the numbers are big enough to justify the cost. Usually higher equity, higher price point moves. How I actually coordinate this. Here's what this looks like when we do it together. Instead of you trying to time it alone. First, we get your current home's real value, not a guess, an actual number based on what's happening in your specific neighborhood right now. Second, we get you pre-approved with clear numbers on what you can carry so we know which path, sell first or buy first, actually fits your finances. Third, we build the timeline backward from your ideal move date, working with your lender and, if needed, the buyer's agent on the other side to line up closing dates and possible rent-back terms. This is really a transaction coordination problem as much as it is a real estate problem. And that's the part most agents don't spend enough time on. It's the difference between a smooth move and a stressful one. Which one is right for you? Quick gut check. If you want certainty and lower financial risks, lean sell first with a rent back built in. If you have strong equity, qualify comfortably for both payments, and don't want to move twice, buy first with bridge financing might make more sense. There's no universal right answer here. It depends on your equity position, your comfort with risk, and what's happening in your specific submarket right now. If you want to know which path fits your situation, comment move up, below, and I will walk you through your numbers. No pressure, just clarity. And if this helped, subscribe. I'm covering the entire move-up process on this channel, step by step. I am Tello, and I specialize in helping buyers and sellers navigate the greater Houston market. My contact information is in the description below. Whether you're relocating, investing, or selling your current home, I'm here to guide you through through every step for a smooth transaction and successful closing. Get in touch with me to find out what your home is actually worth in today's market and what the right move looks like for your next chapter. See you in the next video.